How to listen to music together on Spotify. Spotify offers several ways for you to enjoy music with friends even when you are not in the same location. Whether you want to share your favorite tracks in real time or collaborate on a playlist, here is a detailed guide on how to listen to music together on Spotify. Launch your Spotify. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, go ahead and open the song that you want to share or listen together. After you open the song, at the bottom left corner, you're gonna see this speaker kind of icon. Click on it. Different options will appear. If you are a premium user, you're gonna see the option of share over here. Clicking on that option, you will be able to share this song and listen music together with your friend. Likewise, heading towards next option, what you can do is head back. Now click on the storage icon. At the very top, you'll see the storage box. Over there, type in blend. Then click on this option blend. Now click on the option of create a blend. Invite friends to blend. Invite up to 10 friends to a blend. Share a playlist that gives you social recommendation based on your all music tastes. Click on invite. Now go ahead and use any of these platforms given over here to share your playlist and listen music together. If real-time listening isn't essential, you can share song links, albums or playlists with friends to enjoy separately. For that, head towards your library, then select the track or the playlist that you want to share. Open it. You can click on three dots. Then you can select the option of share, or you can click on the option of invite collaborators and share the playlist or the specific song. So this way you can easily listen music together on Spotify. This was really simple and quick process. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.